So today we're gonna show you guys, we got this pair of self-close drawer glides, and we're gonna demonstrate using a drawer how to use them. The nice thing is they're full extension, they're soft close, and we're gonna demonstrate how to put them on right now. And the other thing, before you put them onto your drawer, here on the side you gotta move it up or down to release the drawer glide. You pull it out, and this is the part that goes in the drawer. This you put it on your cabinet, and we're gonna set them up for you right now like that. We're gonna demonstrate a sample. So the easiest way, this is a cabinet shop, so the easiest way for us, even though we're professional, to guide yourself, just put the drawer glides on the bottom flush with the drawer, and when you install it, it's gonna raise it up 1/4 of an inch. It's easier that way, you don't have to be struggling try to level it up or down. So we're gonna start putting it in. So when you set your drawer in, you gotta make sure the bearings are in the front, that they're not on the back. If they're like this, you're gonna have trouble putting your drawer in. So make sure the bearings are all the way to the front. And you just slide it in, both sides, make sure it's in. Slide it in, something like that. And because it's a self-close, we're gonna open it up and close it. Okay, so now we're gonna shut it in. When you go above 3-4 inches in, you push it in and it closes by itself.